Hi friends, it's Lori. I have not done a video in months and months. Doesn't mean I haven't been crafting behind the scenes. I just haven't. I've stepped away from doing challenges and swaps and, you know, life stuff gets in the way, but I'm still creating. I miss it, so I decided to jump in. I actually saw Phyllis's challenge. She's trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. You can find her at Prickly Pink Crafter on YouTube, and I'm going to link her channel below. She offered up this challenge, which is a good one. It's got all kinds of good stuff, and has it open until she hits her goal. Oops, my lights are getting funky. I think she's going to close it soon, but if you're interested, jump over and take a peek. So Phyllis likes all things shabby, pastel, and spring, which isn't too far from what I do. I might tend towards brighter colors, but I love, love, love what I've created for her. So let's jump into it. First off, she wanted a Memdex. So let me shove things out of the way. So I did create this fun box. Butterflies are definitely my jam. They scream spring anyway. Part of the Pastelli. I used a lot of different collections. I can't say there was one specific one. I started with one, but then was grabbing from all of them. So Memdex. I made this cute little box to package it in. And here's the Memdex I created. She didn't want 5 layers or more. I don't tend to do super crazy chunky, but there is 5 layers. There's base, there's the vellum leaves, this one, the ruffle, and then the word art. So I do hit the 5, not crazy chunky, but definitely feels like me. And then I'm going to include some of my personal information on the back. I just put these tags on everything, how to find me before they go out. So this is my Memdex. I absolutely love these. They're not a sticker. I don't know what they're called, pet something or other. But I like that they pop up and they hold their form and look like a fluttery, little realistic fluttery butterfly. And I think everything I did here is die cut and handmade by me, including, oh, this is a foam sticker. So just cute little box to package that up. So that's the Memdex. We needed to do a shaker set. I did these 2 large butterfly shakers. And I think you can see that without me taking that out. I did package it up with a little bit of this glittery tulle and another ruffle. I did use vellum, so both of these, the top layer is covered in vellum before it was stitched. I feel like vellum is part of that kind of shabby look, softens everything a little. And then yeah, just stitched around and did a little bag topper. So that's my shaker set. And then for Crafter's Choice, I made her these. I believe these are zinnias. Just a package of 6 with the colors that I kind of used in the collection. And then, you know, similar, just did a fun bag topper on it. But there you can see they're pretty large. They're good size flowers. All right, and then we needed to do a sequins mix. So I love this little container to package up things. It's actually meant, I think, for coffee pods, but I like it with these little jars. So I did a sequin mix that I felt kind of represented the whole package, and then just, you know, put some flowers and leaves on the top. And I took a little dessert spoon, put some washi on it with a touch of gold, and a little bit of the seam binding, a couple flowers, more butterflies to package that. And let's see, and then the dangle. So honest to goodness, I was going to skip the dangle and just not get the points for it because Y'all, I am intimidated by dangles. But once I got going, holy cow, did I have fun with this. So, super chunky. If I didn't do a chunky Memdex, I certainly did a chunky dangle. And it's a pretty big one. I had this, like, metal bow clip, and I thought that is absolutely perfect to go with this whole package. But I have a little bit of everything on here. Yeah, some charms, some beads. I love this little owl ceramic bead. Some stars, bubblegum beads, tassels, a little bit of everything. So then I couldn't figure out how do you package these things. So I started off doing a package similar to this, but it felt a little plain. So then I found this box. This is, I think, a candy bar box from KS Craft. And what I did is I actually popped holes in the back of this and wrapped wire around it to hold it in place. And this, I just made this fit. I like the idea that you could see it through the box as a teaser. And yeah, this is going to be my new favorite way to package dangles now. It looks like candy in there, doesn't it? Isn't that fun? And then just a simple, it's a KS Craft bow, a little bit of tulle with a little flower cabochon in the center. And then I made her a cute little card that I'm going to send along. And this is my project. This is heading in the mail to her tomorrow. So again, I'm going to link everything up below. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to have another video of a project share coming in a couple days, as well as a Temu haul, because friends, I have been hoarding. So let's just unpackage it and see what all I've got. So if you haven't yet and you like this video, please hit subscribe and notification on all so you can see these next couple of videos that come up. Thanks for watching.